X Animal Crossing collection. Colourpop was kind enough to send me some of the collection, and so I wanted to try it out and give y'all my first thoughts. If you're new here, welcome. I'm new here too. Let's just get right into it. The eyeshadows came in this package. It almost looks like a little bookcase. Very cute packaging. Or Colourpop is usually really good with packaging. As always, comes in 4 different colors. We have Nook Ink, 5-Star Island, Isabelle of the Ball, and what's the last one? What a Hoot. What a Hoot is more browns. 5-Star Island is pinks with that really shimmery yellow there. And then we have Labelle of the Ball, which is a lavender palette, and Nook Ink, which is mainly minty greens. I used 5-Star Island and Nook Ink for the look that I'm doing today. I wasn't able to try every single product, but I tried to give my first impressions of the ones that I wanted to use. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video. Alright, Flower Tender is one of the 2 blushes that I was sent. I think this is supposed to be more of a peachy color, like a coral with like gold flecks in it. And then I was also given Flower Power, which looks rosy, kind of like a lilac cool tone pink. It says it has silver pinpoint. Oh, that kind of scares me. Next are the Just a Tint Lip Mini kit sets. I got 3 different colors. I think there's about 4 in total. I have Pick of the Bunch. Oh, I'm not sure. Are these like nudes? And then I also have Fruit Baskets. I'm assuming these are like reds. I also got another one, which is Fruit Roots, and this one's more of a, I don't know, peachy color, maybe oranges. Next up is this little Super Shock shadow. This is actually a lot of products. I'm not really sure what to do with that. And I also got a bunch of stickers. These are cute. I'm gonna deck out my iPad with those. I also got this glitter gel. I didn't really get a chance to use it, but I'm kind of excited. It's very, very bright. The swatches are really, really nice online as well. It's in the shade Billionaire. I'm just fluffing up my hair, getting ready for this. I actually attempted to film this beforehand, but it didn't work out for me. But I pretty much did the same thing I did the first time with my face. Here's me trying the blushes, and I was not impressed. I was layering on Flower Tender. Like, I even put a little bit of the other blush on top, Flower Power, and it was, you know, it's there, but on my skin tone, it's just not really doing it for me. So I'm just gonna go straight into the eyeshadow, starting with Island Tune. All right, so taking this pink, kind of a pastel pink on me. I had to layer it on my lid a few times. I'm using it as a transition color, and it was kind of chalky, kind of hard to build up, but I made it work. Next, I'm taking Resident In. Wow, I'm like so wobbly. Like, it had a lot of fallout. Like, it's a really pigmented color, but the fallout was kind of excessive. But I've heard that of Colourpop palettes, so I mean, do with that what you will. I don't know if you hate fallout or not. I didn't mind it at first, but it is a lot. Just be prepared. But I like the color. It's kind of like a dark mauve-y pink, a little bit on the cooler side. It layered on really nicely, and it has like sparkles, kind of like gold sparkles on it. Works out for me. I took the same brush that I used for my transition, and I kind of blended that color into my crease, into the transition color. Sorry, I think my mom is talking to me. Oh, it's my mom talking to me. Okay, we'll cut that out. She's still talking. No, I don't need it. Okay, sorry. Next, I'm taking Made in the Shade from the Nook palette. I really like that there's a little mirror too. That's super helpful. Like, see, even on a tiny palette like this, we have a mirror. Hell yeah. So I'm just going to, I pat most of the product that I loaded onto my brush onto the inner half of my eye. And I'm like, whatever's left on my brush, I'm slowly dragging it over the center. If I knew, I didn't know the fallout was this. Okay, I'm putting some powder under. There's like a light layer of powder. Okay, now I'm taking Isabel and I'm using a tiny brush to put that in my inner corner as a highlight. And then I'm gonna go in with Island Tune and put that on my inner third of my lower lash line. I'm just using a smudge brush. And then I'm gonna take, oh, what the fuck is this color? Then I'm going to take Water Landing. I'm gonna take an angled brush and I'm going to put that on the outer half of my extended outwards, kind of creating a small lower wing. I'm also using a little bit of concealer and a flat brush to clean up that line so it can have kind of a sharper edge. And I'm going to carefully carry it up until I get crisp line. Right, I'm just gonna use my finger. I feel like iridescent colors or duochrome colors just work so much better with your finger. I'm just gonna pop that on the center. It looks really good on the pink, and it looks pretty. It looks pretty on the green too. I am satisfied. I'm satisfied with this. Next up, I think is... Oh no, wait, hold on. Liner. Glam Vice Pastel Paradise. Alright, these are water activated liners. There's like a little bit of, okay, so I switched to the pot instead. I have a pot. I was gonna use the palette, but this has a little bit of blue stain in it. And I kind of like that. Okay, and I'm just gonna try and draw a sharp line. I think I'm gonna drag out the green eyeshadow even more than I already did. Because I drew the white eyeliner so dramatically. The green liner just looks so puny in comparison. Alright, I'm going to grab my other Glam Vice palette. The Tropical Treasure palette. Oh! And this color. This is pretty identical. I'm just going to draw on the outer corner of the lower liner, the green liner on the bottom. Alright, there we go, finish that. I just wanted the corners to be a little bit sharper. Something I did forget to do earlier was line my upper lash line with Water Landing. I feel like I have to darken my lash line before I put false lashes on. These blushes are such a huge disappointment. I can't stop thinking about how disappointed I am in these blushes. I really wanted them to work for me. They barely show up. I cannot tell you what lashes I'm wearing. They are Kiss lashes though. Oh, Kiss sequin lashes. These lashes are on backwards. Are you fucking serious? I grabbed the wrong motherfucking lashes. Okay, two things. I made an oopsie and I got some mascara on my skin. Also, I think I used brown on accident. I do have a brown mascara, but I forget that it's brown. Okay, that's the best I could do with my lower lash line. Kind of want to put on eyeliner, but I don't have any like pencil liners. I do have this purple jumbo pencil. I have to set the color. It's not just gonna sit there for me. I don't know how much that cut off, but we have the purple liner on. I got sparkles on my chest, dog. What? I really want to finish up because I'm supposed to stream. I'm supposed to be streaming soon. Next is lips, and I said highlight, right? I'm just doing like a little bit of highlight because I think I'm glowing enough. I'm gonna put this on my brow bone. I always highlight my brow bone. I feel like it's like the perfect finishing touch. I'm gonna take just a little bit. So, I have these, what are these called? They're like these, I already broke one. They're like these lip gloss or these lip balm crayons. I like these a lot, actually. I didn't think, look, I already broke this. But they look like this. I kind of just like molded it back together. So I like the idea of these. I don't normally go for tinted lip balms at all. I was a little bit iffy when I first got them because I was like, why aren't they glosses? I prefer glosses. But these are okay. Actually, they're growing on me a lot. My favorite pairing, I did swatch them all last time I tried filming. My favorite pairing is Fruit Roots. I really like this. This comes with like 2 nudie colors. Peach Surprise, oh shit, which is the one I broke. And, oh, I'm a liar. This is actually the green box. This is just a tint in Pick of the Bunch. I have it in Incomparable and Coconut Juice. Coconut Juice is like a really nice, it's like a deep brown, almost not cranberry, but it's like a brown. Slightly reddish plum brown. Haven't used it yet, but the swatch was... One thing I really cannot stand about these is that you can't really, the tops are not secure at all. Especially for this one, the top for Incomparable just never actually seals itself. So that's weird. The other is kind of, yeah, okay, so there's like a click when you close it. Like, I don't know if you heard that. There's like a little click. This one, oh, okay, it does click. I just didn't do it right the first time. Oh no! Fruit baskets. That comes with Juicy Apple and Cherry Cherry. These are like really red. Don't know if I want to do that with this look. This one's like a magenta. This one's like a warmer cherry color. And they also smell really good too. Oh, they smell so delicious. They do not taste like candy. I tried. They're also retractable, but it comes with Peach Surprise and Orange Cutie. Warm, bright nudes. Did I grab the right color? No, this is Incomparable. What the hell? Here's Orange Citrus. My god. I really like Orange Citrus. Orange Citrus is gonna give me like a bit of warmth, but it doesn't really deviate too much from my natural lip color. I think I might use that. I think this is my favorite thing in the collection. Let's see how oh, okay, so I guess that's it. But I think that's a decent amount. I don't know, I've never had anything like this before, so I like it. It's a little bit redder than I thought it would be. I kind of want to take Incomparable on top just to like neutralize it a little bit. Oh my god, it smells like straight up Halloween candy. I love it so much. These are the bee's knees. I just wish they retracted all the way down, because I have a feeling I'm going to break another one of these and I'm gonna cry. To be honest with you, I think I'm... Oh, you know, remember what I said I was gonna do? Remember? I said I was gonna draw little dots all around with the white. I think I still want to do that. Here we are. Okay. Thumbnail recording's kind of awkward. Honestly, I'll probably do a follow-up. Right off the bat, the blushes are just a big no-no for me. The blushes really didn't do anything. Oh my god, my shirt's been like that this whole time. The blushes did absolutely nothing for me. This one is a nice mauve blush. It shows up okay on me. My god, it's just... The blushes are kind of chalky too. So like that one barely shows up. And on top of that, it looks really dry. So the eyeshadows, at least from the ones that I tried so far, are pretty good. I forgot all about this. Maybe another time I'll try it. I think these are really good for travel too. They're really small. They look like little books in their bookcase here. I think the pigmentation is pretty decent. This can look kind of, some of these colors have a tendency to look a little ashy, especially in the Nook palette. The dark colors are doing great things. I don't even know if any of these colors can be used as a transition. I guess you can use Made in Shade as a transition if you wanted to, but Made in Shade is what's on my inner lid now, and I put it on my inner lid because anywhere else I was kind of scared it would look a little bit ashy. I don't know how to feel about the other ones yet, but I'll try them in a different look. So, with that being said, my work here is done. Thank you, Colourpop, for sending me this. The lip products, for me, the lip products are it for me. I love these so much. Follow me on all the things. I have those links down below too. I stream on Twitch occasionally, like here and there, whenever I feel like it. So go ahead and follow me there if you want to see me play games or do my makeup live, because I do that sometimes. Other than that, I'm usually drawing on stream. Also, if you want to see my artwork or if you want to commission me for emotes, banners, character illustrations, or anything else that you can think of, go to my website, mojo97.com. Oh, and I will be uploading here occasionally as well. Actually, I'm uploading through my Ko-fi account most often. I have an unlisted playlist that is only available for Ko-fi members. So if you want to support me, and if you want to see more videos and more cosplays, Ko-fi supporters and subscribers get access to a bunch of bonus content, and they also get access to a private playlist where I upload bi-weekly vlogs. They may become weekly depending on how much I film. I will go ahead and see y'all somewhere else on the internet. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have any other, if you want to see me review anything else, I don't know. Peace. Thanks so much for tuning in to this video. I actually shot a lot of footage of me talking about various different things. If you're interested in seeing bonus content, behind the scenes footage, and just hearing me ramble about pop culture nonsense, art, my personal development journey, Twitch, gaming, go ahead and hit up my Ko-fi. Links down below.